Are you thinking about fixing up your home, but you're worried about the cost? What if I told you Anoka County had a program that can cover up to $25,000 in repairs and half of it can be forgiven? That's like $12,000 of free money to fix up your house. How often is that going to come along? I'm Brian Ingle, real estate agent, broker, and investor here in Minnesota. On my channel, I share real estate tips, market updates, and investing strategies to help you make smart moves with your properties. Be sure to hit subscribe so you stay in the know regarding real estate happenings in our great state of Minnesota. So today, I want to give you a quick overview of the Anoka County Home Rehabilitation Loan Program. So first thing is who qualifies, right? Well, it's quite simple. Homeowners in Anoka County who've lived in their property at least 6 months. But if you don't live in Anoka County, just go to your county's website and search for Home Rehabilitation Loan Fund or Program. They're actually quite popular in Minnesota. In Anoka County, eligible properties include single-family homes, townhomes, condos, and some duplexes. Mobile homes and flood zone properties, sorry, they don't qualify. Your household income must fall under the federal limits. So as an example, under $104,200 a year for a family of 4, and your bank assets cannot exceed $25,000. The loan details: you can borrow up to $25,000 and stay in your home for the required number of years, which it varies based on the work being done, and half of the loan is forgiven. If you sell your property, you'll have to repay the balance of the loan out of your proceeds. So you might be thinking, now what type of work is covered? It's basically work that improves your health, safety, and livability of the property. Sorry, luxury upgrades like in-ground pools, not allowed. Sorry, just the necessary repairs. And the work must be done by licensed contractors with permits and inspections by the city. Some other perks of the program is there's no credit checks, no co-signers needed. So I guess if this sounds like a good fit to you, you can call and email Anoka County Community Development. So if you found this information helpful, make sure to hit subscribe on my channel, where I share more real estate tips, investment strategies, and local updates. And obviously, if you're considering buying, selling, or investing in Minnesota real estate, give Ingle a jingle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.